Hi everyone, Dr. Katie here. Today, October 7th, 2022 is National Manufacturing Day. I'm here at Advanced Metals Machining in Oliphant to salute all manufacturers who started their journeys on the Johnson College campus, in our labs, or at an industry partner location like this one. For over 110 years, Johnson College has educated students for industries that are essential locally, nationally, and globally. Manufacturing is one of those industries. It's one of the largest economic centers in Luzerne and Lackawanna counties and one of the top 5 employers in northeastern Pennsylvania. On this National Manufacturing Day, Johnson College recognizes every manufacturer who drives this vital sector of our economy and thanks them for making us a nation of builders of world-class products. Thank you to Advanced Metals Machining for helping us celebrate this day with them here in Oliphant. And thank you to all our students and alums working in this essential industry. You fuel our economy, and we are grateful. I hope you take a moment to recognize your positive impact on all our lives. Thank you.